Guys, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut a cornet top and wrapper. I'm using this DIZHA fabric to cut it out. This is 3 yards of DIZHA fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. So you know the top is cornet, so you have to use pattern to get that cut part of the neckline of the top. So that's what I'll be cutting first before placing it on the fabric. Here is the pattern paper I will be using. You can see. So the first thing I'll be taking here is the shoulder slant. The shoulder slant of 1 inch. Shoulder slant of 1 inch, and here is it. You can see. So from this shoulder slant, I'll be slanting it up to this area. I'm slanting it up to this area. Now, so the next thing I'm going to take here is to take the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement, you know, is cut together with the sleeve, so I'll be making use of armhole 9 inches. Armhole 9 inches. Then I'll be straightening that 9 inches up here. I'm making a straight line with that 9 inches. You can see this is 9 inches. This is 9 inches. You can see now. So this is where we're going to take our bust measurement. The bust measurement, I'll be making use of 42 inches of the bust. That's 10.5 inches. 42 inches. You can see where it is. So, but this is going to the elbow, so this area will not be as wide as this area. That's why I want to reduce it a little bit, just to give us that shape of the sleeve. So I'll be reducing it with 2.5 inches. Let's say 2.5 inches. Then from that 9 inches, from this 42 inches of bust measurement, I'll be slanting it up to the 2.5 inches. You can see. You can see now. You can see. So this is how we're going to have it. Then from here, I'm going to make a slant line to the length of this top. The length of our top is going to be, you know, is top and wrapper. So the length of the top is going to be 24 inches here. But see, if I'm placing this on the fabric, I'll be adding 1 inch to it to make it 25 inches. So let's just use it. So this is the length we're using here. So for me, I'm going to make a slant line like this, a little bit slant line. I won't let it to be too slant, like this. So you can as well take the wideness of this area. So this is 14.5 inches. So if assuming it's 15 inches, that's 60 inches wideness, so it's okay. So you know, we're still going, this is with the same allowance. All the measurement I took here is with the same allowance. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to cut it out. So here is what we have here. So it's a curl neckline. It's a curl neckline, you know. Then from here, I'm going to take a measurement. So let's assume we are dealing with a shoulder, just to get our curl neck perfectly. So the main shoulder is shoulder 8. Here is our armhole. You know, armhole will be somewhere around here. Then I'm going to make use of my armhole curve to bring out the shape of the armhole. We are not using it just for us to be able to determine where the corner neck is going to be. So you can see now. So you can see. So this is the additional length for the armhole. And I told you, since it's cut together with the sleeve, it's not going to be firm like armhole. So see, this is the additional length for the armhole. So the next thing we're going to do here is to cut it to bring out the core neckline. So I'm come to this area here before the armhole. You can take the measurement if necessary. So let me just take it like this. Let me take it from here. So I'll be cutting it for this 2.5 inches. You can see now it's not from here that I'm going to notch it out. You can see. So the interval is going to be 2 inches. Inches. You can see. So you can as well take the wideness of the shoulder. You know, if you want to add your shoulders to it, you want to join the shoulders together, so you can as well take the measurement of the neckline. So let me say 4 inches. You can see, just 4 inches. Then from this 4 inches, you can come down to 1 inch. It's not that much. So then you connect them together like this. So the next thing now is to cut it out. Then you start to cut this one after the other. You hand it here like this. Like this, you can see. So is this particular one that you're going to stretch like this, like this. So you're going to place 1 yard. This is 1 yard I've cut out from the 3 yards. I'll be folding it into 2. Then place this my pattern on it. This is after placing it on the fabric. You can see the way I stretch it out. You can see the length now. So this area is going out of this. We're going to cut this out, and this is going to be the armhole here, then to the full length of the dress. Then I told you I'm going to add 1 inch to this area to make it 25 inches. 1 inch to this particular area to make it 25 inches, and that is what I'm doing here. So you can see now. So the next thing now is to cut it out. So you can see the neckline at the pattern here. Even though you add your neckline, to cut your neckline at the initial, is not going to show when you are stretching the core part of the dress. So it's not necessary to take the neckline at the front, because when you later join it, this is where the neckline is going to fall to. So the neckline in the cutout at the pattern can only reflect at the back. This way, you can see the back now. So you have to use the pattern to cut out the back first before you can slant it. We slant it out, we slash it. Before you can slash it, use the pattern to cut the back first before placing it on the fabric. Now this is the back neck, this is the back. You can see they are equal, it's equal with the back. So with the neckline, so, and this is the front with a core neckline. You can see. So this is the core neckline at the front. So this sleeve is not enough. I'm going to join it here. I'm going to make a joining to make a complete sleeve. So I'll be making use of this to make the joining. now for both back and front. The sleeve now is for both back and front. The next thing to cut out now is the wrapper. The finished work so far. This is the top and the wrapper. You can see a corner top. You can see the top. When you check it this way, you see that come closer. This is the corner top. You can see the corner top and the wrapper. See the wrapper. The wrapper is 2.5 yards and 50 inches length. The length is 50 inches and the wideness is 2.5 yards of DIZHA fabric. And this is my band. This is the band that I attached to the edge of the wrapper, so I'll be able to wrap it very well. So this is the back. This is the back. You can see the back. I can take the wrapper from the side here to the other side here. You can see it ends at one at the side of the dress at the back. So we didn't attach it at the front, as you can see. As you can see it, we didn't attach it at the front. So if you want to tie this, you want to wrap this down, you have to do it this way. You can see this is the first one, this is the second one. You cannot see. So this is how it's going to be. So just try to adjust it properly to make it neat. So if the belt is long enough, you can as well take it back. So this is the back. You can see. And you can see the front, and this is the neckline. See, you see the core neckline. So if you want the cut to be more than this, you have to slash that to the shoulder. So this is the little core that I need at the neckline. Yeah, the sleeve, you can see the joining, the taping that I attached that has to the sleeve to make it longer than the cut together one with the sleeve. So now you can see how beautiful this turns out. If you love this tutorial so far, don't forget to click on the like button, and also if you're watching me for the first time, you're the right place to be. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.